Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1A, Question number 7, Basic Level. In this video we will solve question number 7. Use the calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places where necessary. To solve this problem you will need a scientific calculator. Here are some basic keys of scientific calculator. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, bracket open, bracket close, square, cube, power, square root, cube root, x root. Part A. To calculate this, press the keys on calculator in the given sequence below. Bracket open, 7, square, bracket close, subtract, square root, 3, 6, 1, add, 2, 1, power, 3, equals 2. So the required answer is 9291. Part B. To calculate this, press the keys on calculator in the given sequence below. Bracket open, square root, 5, 5, 5, add, 5, square, bracket close, divide, bracket open, 2, power, 3, multiply, 3, x root, 2, 2, 2, bracket close, equals 2. So after rounding off to 4 decimal places the required answer is 1.0024. Part C. To calculate this, press the keys on calculator in the given sequence below. Square root, bracket open, 4, power, 3, add, 3, x root, 4, 9, 3, 1, bracket close, equals 2. So after rounding off to 4 decimal places the required answer is 9.0011. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.